It's super windy out today, but my calendula flowers needed to be picked. So you're watching me pick some calendula flowers. Yesterday it got up to 100. Today it just barely hit 70. And in the morning when I was out picking my flowers, as you see, I needed a sweater. While I was out here, I also managed to pick 4 tomatoes that were ripe. I have a lot of green ones, but only 4 that were ripe. And you see, I still have all of these calendula flowers to pick. Well, I did get it done. And it'll look this way again in about 2 days. The wind is just wreaking havoc on my garden. My beans and tomatoes tipped over.
That feels like a home. The Furniture Bank of providing furniture to neighbors.
Here you're just listening to my clock as it finishes up its round of singing for the hour. And I picked one of the ears of my corn. It's perfect, except for the fact that it's only 2 inches long, but it really tasted good. Nice and plump and sweet. But I think this is probably the biggest one that I'm going to get. I don't have good luck with corn. Well, I mentioned earlier that the wind played havoc on my beans and tomatoes. Just blew them over. Well, I got them propped back up, so they'll be all right. And my corn, I kind of inspected it, and it's like the stalks are drying out. And I've got some little ears, but they're like that long, and they don't feel like they're filling out. So I'm not going to have a good corn year, even though my dismal corn year is probably the best corn year I've ever had. That's pitiful, isn't it? Very pitiful. Well, I'm going to go ahead and sign off for today. Oh, I know. One other thing I did, I went out and weeded around my grapes. All those little grape clusters that I had at the beginning of summer, I can't find them. There's a couple of little clusters that have grapes that are like almost grape size. But the other ones they either disappeared or I'm just not seeing them. I have tons of foliage that grew, though. Oh, you never know how things are going to turn out. Well, like I said, I'm going to close out for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you comment and like, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do it. I'd like to grow this channel. Tell me what kind of videos you'd like me to make. Well, I'll see you on my next video, and until then, may the good Lord richly bless you.